How's everyone? This is Pastor Larice. This is a little bit impromptu video, so excuse my setup and my appearance and everything. This is the real life here. So it's Tuesday, which is our major work day on the ministry compound. So we do a lot of things simultaneously. We have kids that we're tutoring program. We have counseling, pastoral counseling. We also have our medical ministry. So we saw several patients today. One of our leaders takes care of that, our nurse. I had a class full of kids. I'm not even counted how many there were yet. Hopefully I took accurate attendance, but they gave me the runaround today, I'm not gonna lie. But thank God they're all improving, and it's going great. At the end, I had them also, it just came to my mind to sometimes expose them to different mediums. So we also, at the end, they were watching Sesame Street. So that was a lot of fun. They really enjoyed that, watching it on my iPad. And then we just finished a couple counseling sessions. And pastor is below me. I'm on the roof of the parsonage. Pastor is below me with the guys as they're doing some work. So I'm gonna take a walk through and show some updates. But that is really a major thing that we're trusting God for, is to finish this parsonage, the first floor, let it be all finished by the time the team comes in May. So if you're contributing to that, every day I'm seeing progress. Every day I'm seeing progress. It's within our reach. I feel it, we can get there. So please just keep giving, because that will really help. Right now I need to leave so I can go pick up the kids from school and handle some things at home. But once we're on base, on campus here, there's even 2 or 3 other people who came for counseling, but it's late now, so we had to reschedule. So there's just a lot of needs in the community, a whole lot of needs in the community. So this is how we spend our time mostly. Tuesdays is the major day where we do everything, and then during the week we schedule some of the different things out for other sessions. So this is missionary life here at number 2. Let's see, which other updates do we have? In January, this is what we've been doing, trying to keep a schedule. Saturdays, we have training with our leaders. Thursdays, I have specialized training with a couple of the leaders who are interested in pulpit ministry. I also am lecturing at one of the Christian colleges here, so that takes some of my time. Another thing, you can keep me in prayer. I'll be heading, by the grace of God, be heading to Ethiopia in March for a conference to present some of my research and scholarship on ministry in Sierra Leone. So you all keep me in prayer, and I'll hopefully share the flyer. But yeah, that's the kind of stuff that we're doing, and we're really grateful to God for everything He's done. We took an orphanage visit last week, a few days ago. Took a visit to an orphanage with some brethren. We've gone actually the past couple months, and this orphanage is very special and near and dear to our hearts. They specialize in children who have special needs. That's their specialty. They have capacity probably for 24 kids or so, and now they're up to around upwards of 40. So they're overcrowded. They get children from all kinds of different situations. But when I asked the headmistress about their newest additions, where they came from, she said they were abandoned at the gate. So those are the kind of situations. There's kids that, when I asked where they came from, she said someone found them in the gutter. Someone found them lying down in the street. So these are kids with severe special needs that need specialized medical attention and therapies. And we believe when some people are not able to provide it, or they have a stigma, then some people are abandoning them. But these people have just a heart of gold, are angels, and they're taking such good care of the kids with very little resources. So that's one of the other ministries that we get to visit and try to encourage them and pass on some donations to them as well. So some of the things you've donated have also gone to these kids who very much need it, as well as our own kids. You know how humbling it is when you see clothes that you or your kids, your family, were not really using, and you give it out, and now you see people wearing it almost every week. It's so humbling, and we have to thank God for the abundance that He's given us in the part of the world that we come from. But we thank God for our people who really show you the meaning of faith. People like the owner of that orphanage, who has given her whole life to kids who will not be able to pay her back. I believe she's gonna have a great reward in heaven. So keep praying for everybody here, and we'll keep you all updated. Thank you so much for being part of our journey. This has been our February updates. I'm Pastor Larice, missionary with Tormi, and God bless you. A very special shout out to our bishop and to Living Word Temple of Restoration for your donation. We were able to buy this beautiful keke that you see, that's used as a transportation to help our members get to and fro church. All of our members walk to church, so this has just been a huge blessing, and a special shout out to them for also sending funds for another one that is on its way. God bless you guys.
Você não quer pôr no